Hi guys, welcome to my channel Girly Trends Telugu. Today I want to show you Reliance Trends new collections. I just went to the Reliance store and I bought some kurtis too. And there is an offer, buy two and get 100 rupees off on Avasa and Fusion kurtis. These are the 499 rupees kurtis. And the fabric is rayon and cotton material. It's super comfortable for casual and daily wear. Buy any 3 and get 300 rupees off, and buy any 2 and get 100 rupees off from these kurtis. This offer is available for any trend store. You can visit any nearby trend store and get this offer. You can get flat 50% off on sale, and the price range is from 499 to up to 3000 rupees. These are the daily wear kurtis from Avasa and Fusion, and these are the Anarkali and A-line kurtis. It's for 1299. You can buy new stock in Reliance store or else install the Ajio app and get super discounts in Ajio app. You'll get great deal in Ajio app compared to trend store. I do many more Ajio hauls in my channel. You can check them out. I bought 499 rupees kurtis for only 150. This is such a great deal in Ajio app. But the drawback is in Ajio app you can get old stock, not new. And I bought those orange kurtis from Ajio. I got it for something around 299 or 350 rupees. And you get A-line kurtis, Anarkali kurtis from Siyahi brand and Avasa and Fusion. I bought many more kurtis in Ajio app. I went to trend store, but I pick up some stuff only. Some of them are in Ajio app too. This is the kurti for 1499, and in Ajio app you can get for around 350 or 500. Latest kurtis are available in trend store. I do more Ajio hauls like kurtis and palazzos, Anarkali kurtis, festival kurtis and nightwear, whatnot. You can check them out. I got some kurtis under 150 rupees only. See, this is the sale pattern, flat 40% off. In Ajio app you can get for up to flat 70% off. So you can buy easily in Ajio app when compared to trend store, but the new stock is available only in trend store. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon and check them other Ajio hauls too. You can get more updates when the sale is going on. I'll post every offer in my channel. You can check them out. Please hit the bell icon for further notifications, and if you like my channel, please subscribe and hit. If you like my channel, please subscribe and hit. And if you have any doubts regarding this video and any offers, comment down below.